a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with that commas. Or DJ telling the sound up, cause we got to pour.
Hey you guys, so it is January 25th. It is a Saturday. And y'all, I don't know if you can hear it by my voice, but I am getting a little cold. Well, I have a little cold. It's mainly my nose and somewhat of my throat, but thank God it's not a sore throat. So I'm about to go ahead and get ready to go to the mall to find me a birthday dress for my birthday dinner that I'm having on Saturday. So hopefully I feel better. It's currently 10 something and the mall doesn't open until 11. And I live like 5 minutes away from the mall. So I'm about to get dressed and then we're gonna head out and go to the mall. This is cute. Cute, but what you got over? Well, that's what I'm looking at, like other shirts, so I could like see. This is like the sparkle. I love the sparkles too. Econ. Oh, this is cute. Bro, this is cute. Well, y'all, that was a fail. Walked out with nothing. Hands empty. Knew it was gonna be a fail because of the store. Our mall is freaking lame. I feel like everything is just on go right now. Like, it's early in the morning. Well, that's probably why, but I don't know. Birthday dinner is tomorrow, so I have a couple of errands that I have to run today. So that's what we're doing, and right now the first stop is Walmart. Girl, we can't go to Target anymore. I just need to get some wig glue, and I also need to get some lace tint. I just came back from Target. Walmart didn't have anything. Like, Walmart was looking for that Target surprisingly had, knowing, you know, everything that's going on with Target, they had this. So this is the Kiss Colors and Care Lace Bond adhesive spray. This is the level 9, so it's gonna hold a lot freaking stronger. So next we're gonna go to Marshall's, and y'all, it kind of like, I really have to take my time because I have to go to the mall to exchange my dress. I want to wear a black dress. I got this pink dress that I really don't like. I'm gonna show you guys though, but I don't really like it, so I want to exchange it. Go to Winster again and exchange it because I want to wear a black dress. Like, I actually want to look sexy and grown, and I like that pink dress. Like, Asia, girl, you're not 16 no more. Like, you know, you gotta stop it. Like, so yeah, for honestly lashes, I have to see. That's what I was doing at Target. I had to see when the lash glue is coming. It's supposed to come today. I got lash glue from Amazon. This one, I got this one. I really love this one, so I'm waiting on that to come today. But yeah, I'm so hungry. But yeah, let's go to Marshall's. I got the 3D Fox Meek Lash by the Cream Shop. Very good quality, and I kind of want my eyes to pop. Okay, so we got that. And then I also got this because I just need like a rough cloth, or like, you know, an exfoliating cloth, and you should do the trick. So, y'all, it is 10:17. 10:17. time is just going it's going fast but slow. Like it's going fast when I'm not thinking about the time. Yeah, I think we might just go back home. Hi.
What can I please say?
I have an appointment with Leslie at 11.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, please, okay. Would you go on the iPad, please? Thank you. Happy birthday, okay?
Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you. Just got back from the nail salon, and let me freaking tell you, I tried out this new nail place. It was all just good vibes and stuff. I put in my birthday or whatever, because my birthday is literally in 3 days, and tell me why the whole system was like saying happy birthday, like a whole happy birthday song. I'm just like, yeah, I need to stop, like for real. And my girl Leslie, like, yeah. Yeah, she did that. Okay, so we're about to head home, but this set with And My Toast only came up to $89, but I had a discount, you guys. It was my birthday. You know, you gotta get the birthday queen her discount. I got my feet done. This girl, she did, like, she went in too deep in my crevices. It's just like, girl, calm down. Like, I know I haven't got my feet done in days, but like, don't make me bleed. Yeah, she was cool about it. I mean, she didn't really tell me, which is weird, but yeah, so you know what, it's not the end of the world. I'm alive and my feet look freaking cute. You guys, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because I'm going to be posting like real life time of like my birthday dinner, show you guys like my nails, like really show them, because I feel like it's not giving, well, it is giving on camera, but you can really see it. I also got me a smoothie, a Mango Mania from Juice It Up. But we're gonna go home, take a everything shower, and we're gonna do my hair, get ready. I know it's a little bit early, it's only 1:29, but I'm really gonna take my time, so I don't want to rush or anything. Okay, I'm trying to look like that girl tonight. And I also changed my dress, which you guys are going to see. Ugh. Yeah, let's get ready.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in.
It's a little makeup bag.
This is so cute. Oh, this is adorable. This is so adorable.
I think they taped it.
Smells good. Smells good. I feel like, especially like it's that season.
I like the 1 year too.
I know.
I'm getting her this.
That's so thoughtful, Sabrina. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say it, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till I put the lights down, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you and
Happy birthday.
Oh, you look so nice. Be fine.
ready guys? Sing happy birthday. Sing with us?
Absolutely. I'm
Okay,
here.
ready?
I'm here for it.
Happy
Birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Asia. Happy birthday to you. Happy 21st.
Oh no, not 30.
30, I didn't say 30, you said 30.
What?
You guys need to stop playing with my age. Stop. Oh my god, I'm so full of stress.
Take a picture.
Oh, so cute. Thank you.
You say anything?
What?
You say anything? Say yes or no.
Oh, oh, girl. I didn't know.
Okay, babe. Calm down.
Oh my god.
Take the wine away.
Oh, you're almost.
I can't believe I'm officially 24. This is so weird. It is another year of growing as a person, building up more of my confidence, more opportunities, of course, only getting closer with God. I am thankful for Him for blessing me for another amazing year. This year, with this age, I know I'm going to flourish more than ever. So yeah, happy birthday to me.
But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you coming to my yard uninvited.